Good afternoon. My name is Edmund. Today we will talk about an issue that affects all of us in the digital age, data privacy in the context of social media. With billions of people sharing personal information online every day, have you ever wondered how much of your data is being collected and how it is being used? Our presentation will explore these concerns and what they mean for all of us as social media users. First, let us define what we mean by data privacy. In simple terms, data privacy refers to the ability of individuals to control how their personal information is collected, stored, and shared by social media platforms. When we like a post, upload a photo, or sign up for an account, we generate data that companies analyze and sometimes sell to advertisers. However, we know who has access to our information. Do we know who has access to our information? In this presentation, we will be discussing the key issues surrounding data privacy on social media, including data collection, how social media platforms gather vast amounts of personal data from browsing habits to location. Data usage, how companies use this information for targeted advertising, automatic recommendations, and even political campaigns. But private risk, potential dangers such as data breaches, identity threat, and misuse of personal information. User protection. What are social media companies and governments doing to address this concern? And what steps can we as users take to protect our data? Before we dive into these topics, let me introduce our group member. And Kita Johnson Steve is a China representative. Our presentation will be structured as follows. After this introduction, we will explore the issues of data collection and usage more profoundly and then examine private risks and regulations. Finally, we will discuss user protections and best practices for safeguarding personal data on social media. We hope this presentation helps you better understand the importance of data privacy and how it impact your daily social media experience. Let us begin with our first topic, data collection. And Kita will be presenting on there. Thank you. As we look toward the future of data privacy, it is clear that this issue is becoming more complex with technological advancements. While we have seen increased awareness and efforts to protect user data, the rapid development of artificial intelligence (AI), evolving regulation, and emerging ethical concerns uh, will play a significant role in shaping the future of data privacy. One of the biggest drivers of change in data privacy is AI. AI-powered algorithms are already being used to track user behavior, detect preferences, and even make decisions that affect what content to see. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can analyze even more personal data, raising concern about how this information is collected and whether it is being used and ethically. For example, facial recognition technology and AI-driven surveillance are expanding rapidly. While this innovation has benefits such as enhancing security, they pose serious privacy risks, mainly when used without proper consent or oversight. Governments worldwide are responding to this concern by pushing for stricter regulation. We have already seen laws like the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in Europe and the California Consumer Privacy Act (CCPA) in the US, which aims to give users more control over their data. We can expect even stronger data protection laws, forcing companies to be more transparent and accountable for handling our information. However, enforcement remains a challenge. Some companies find loopholes, while others struggle to keep up with compliance. This raises questions: will government be able to effectively regulate data privacy in an era of constant technological innovation? Beyond legal regulation, society must address important ethical questions. Who truly owns personal data? How much should company be allowed to profit from user information? Moreover, what happens when privacy conflicts with other interests, such as national security or business innovation? One primary concern is the concept of informed consent. Many users accept privacy policy without fully understanding how their data will be used. Companies may be pressured to provide more precise user-friendly privacy options. However, will that be enough? As we progress, one of the biggest dilemmas we face is the trade-off between privacy and convenience. Many willingly give up personal data in exchange for personal content, faster service, and improved AI recommendation. However, where should we draw the line? Are we making informed choices or are companies taking advantage of our willingness to share? Another key issue is corporate accountability. While regulation helps companies ultimately hold the power to implement ethical data practices, the business be required to compensate users when their data is misused. How can we ensure that tech giants prioritize user privacy over profit? This is a critical question as we think about the role of corporate responsibility in shaping the future of data privacy. To wrap up, here are a few questions for discussion. Number one, would you be willing to sacrifice convenience for stronger privacy protection? Why or why not? Number two, what steps should companies take to improve transparency and accountability in data handling? The third question, will technology ultimately enhance or threaten our privacy rights? We encourage you to reflect this question as we conclude our presentation. Thank you for your attention and look forward to hearing your thoughts. And these are the references we use for our presentation. Thank you.